What's the meaning of cutting room? Cutting room. Cutting room.
Cutting room. Cutting room. The cutting room is a term commonly used in the film and video production industry. It refers to the space or area where the editing of the footage takes place. This is where the editor selects the best shots, arranges them in a specific sequence, and trims them down to the desired length. The process of cutting and shaping the footage can significantly impact the overall feel and message of the finished product. The cutting room is where the final version of the film or video comes together, with every detail carefully chosen and crafted to produce a polished and cohesive end result.